I'm excited to unbox this microwave. Nah, y'all for real see it, bro. Y'all see it. Okay. Shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit.
Really, nigga?
Alright. We get ready. Oh, y'all didn't hear that.
Daddy, chill.
Look at that beautiful, beautiful, clear glass.
Hello there.
Yes. All right. Look at that. Look at that. It says mandatory two-step door lock. Pull upwards to release the hold trigger and pull handles open. Okay, that's interesting. That's weird. All right, let me try to lift this up. Let me see if I still got it. Let us put this to the side. Let's uncover this. All right, now I'm going to transport it to its final destination. I'm not tired. There is work to be done. Okay, now that looks beautiful. But let's look at the inside. Ooh. Ooh. Oh. All right, I'm gonna save you guys. Let's peel this off. Nicely. All right, microwave oven. All right. Got the wheel thing here, and we got whatever this is. Yeah, no metal in here. Yeah, I remember when I one time forgot that aluminum is a metal. We see the side buttons right there. Okay, zooming into it. Top is right there. We got the side. All right, we're gonna plug this in and we're gonna see how it operates. Oh yeah, I forgot. We gotta get the plate with the knife. Yeah, give me that. Gotta hear this too, cause it's fire. I'll plug this into the socket. Oh, I just saw that. Straight out of a sci-fi movie, bro. Let's put the plate inside. That right there. And there it is. That's the final look. Oh shit, oh fuck. Oh, okay,
Stop it. Get some help.
Let's put something in here real quick. Let's take our treasure out. Ooh, that shit is actually hot, what the fuck? All right, boys. Now we get to enjoy. We have now accomplished our task, and we may now take off our headbands. Oh, shit. Yes. I prepare to see you again.